You got some Dogecoin news. Oh, I guess Elon tweeted that they want to take. I was listening to him. I haven't finished the podcast with Lex Friedman, but he's going in on Doge again, saying he's still into it. They were talking about which cryptocurrency would be on Mars. And he's still a big Doge guy. And then he went on, I guess, social media as usual and said that Tesla's going to accept Dogecoin for merchandise on the site. Merchandise, I guess, is all your, not the cars, but everything else. The shirts and tequila.
Whistles.
I got the whistle. Where's the whistle? Did anybody go to the mailbox recently? I got the whistle. I should have the whistle somewhere.
Has it shipped yet?
I don't know. Maybe I don't know if it's shipped or not. But I didn't pay Doge for it. So not sure it matters. I just paid boring dollars for it. Anyway, so the Doge goes up because the tweet goes out. And I guess it was up 9% today. Is that a Texas belt buckle?
Yeah. I think this one's new.
Yeah, that must be new. That's hilarious. Oh man, yeah. You can imagine this kind of meme collectibles expanding because it's such a following.
Yeah. And you have to collect them all. You know, there's every opportunity to collect them.
I just realized something though. It's very Tesla only because I would like to have maybe one of the some more space stuff. But I guess that's different. It can't really pop up here. It's got to be
shop.spacex.com.
I guess it has to be shop.spacex.com.
But look, it's such a simple thing. It's like 12,000 Doge.
For the Cyber Quad.
Yeah.
Why is that the only one listed in Doge and not those other?
Because some are not. So you have the whistle, but not the wireless portable charger.
This is so.
You have the belt buckle.
Right.
But yeah, not the car models.
I guess it depends on when the item was added into their inventory. It looks like the newer merchandise items are the ones that have the Doge price listed. There's older items with the mug. I don't know if that's an older item. Never mind. Anyway, it's funny because if you bring up a Doge chart, and I'm sure this is why it's so entertaining, it fluctuates substantially, obviously. And so you might catch a deal here if you buy this merch at the exact right moment. Although over the course of the day, it's been fairly locked in there at 0.24. Do a 5-day or a month, though. Yeah, so you got a low of 18, a high of 24. I guess whatever the difference is over the course of the last month is certainly not going to make or break Tesla or Elon.
I thought this was actually pretty smart. Play around with buying little accessories and see how the marketplace goes. And Doge gets a little bit of a boost. It is interesting.
You know, I'm just going to say this. Is the big Doge boost not available anymore? Because from an influencer perspective, there have been some moments which, I guess it peaked around 0.4. I wonder what it's going to take for it to make that next big jump. I mean, if it will at all. The peak is still 0.84, at least in the last year. It didn't get higher than that prior, did it?
I think this was before.
Just do
a little
max.
Before the.
Just do a max. Yeah.
The SNL skits.
Yeah. Okay. Around 80 cents. But you're also in CAD. You're not in USD. Which just screws up the whole part because everyone's like, wait, when was it that high? But Will's in CAD, so don't get carried away. Yeah, the actual high, more like 64 cents USD. Anyway, you can go buy a whistle with Doge, thanks to Elon.
Yeah.